So we're back in Berg today, huh? Yeah. Ryan's climbing on the ladder.
My butt's a little clenched.
Yeah, it's a little clenched. We got some stuff going on. Ryan's working on finishing the sign. And then out here we're working on the signs. So we got that one's got to go in. Anyway, out here getting some stuff done, getting ready for the ribbon cutting. What do you think?
I'm stoked. I'm just waiting to see the wind take off like a kite with it.
Oh, let's not let them drop that fast.
The wind's not going to take off like a kite.
So what do you thinking, Chance?
I think it looks awesome. I'm super excited for it. Your baby?
They know we're here now.
This will be your third baby. Yeah. Cooper, whatever the next one's name is, the next one.
I think it looks good. It stands out. People in Warrensburg, we're happy for you.
So it's a sunny day. It's a little bit windy, but the signs went up.
Amazingly, none of them snapped.
And I know I was a little bit worried there for a few seconds, but we're here. Signs are up, obviously. Look at that.
We got the blue up there and the green right here.
Uh-huh. So you excited about this, Chance?
Oh, yeah.
Your building's looking better. It's almost done. We need 2 more garage doors and some paint, right?
And then it's done.
Party.
And then we can have a party.
Yep.
So we're headed to go get some paint, right?
Yep.
For what?
The Berg building.
What else do we got to pick up?
Some more spackle to fill in some holes.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, one of the idiot techs left a pole.
Left?
Didn't
We're
have
lost.
it strapped in.
Oh, that's too bad.
Blew out of his truck.
That's too bad.
Yeah, and he had been here for a while, so it's kind of embarrassing for him.
Oh, so that's nice of you to go buy one for him, right?
Yeah. I'm taking it upon myself to pay for it. I'm such a nice guy.
Yeah. Woo, okay, well, here we go. Let's go get some paint and stuff. We should have looked at the supplies first. But that's all right, all we need is paint.
Yeah. How much are we now? Hey, they're cheaper than I thought.
Make sure you test the gription of the. Oh yeah, that one's gonna work. I just have to test them because sometimes you get a crappy one.
Well, good. I'm glad it works. I'm such a nice guy buying it for that stupid tech.
Okay, get your color. Are you trying to get it on the same card?
What about Tornado and Phoenix Fossil?
I like Tundras,
You like Tundra?
but that might be too light. I don't know.
Solitary
You
Slate?
Look, I got you a pole. Since you lost yours. I mean, since somebody else lost
somebody
theirs.
else, I would never. So that's what we were up to today. Little leisurely drive out here to see the signs. It was worth it.
Yeah, I'm excited. It feels like the baby has been born.
Oh. All right. Well, with that being said, we'll see you guys next time.
Take care.
I know what you're gonna do. I have to probably get out of the road. What about them? Oh, they're nice. Is that a video? Oh, that's a video.
Man boobs, sorry.
Oh, frick. Whole experience. No,
You hate what?
I hate driving with you. You make me so nervous.
You're a little to the left there, aren't you?
See? He's not just doing that for camera.
Watch out for this. It's like teaching my kid. Oh, look, they have mold-free silicone. You gonna stop at that stop sign or what?
I was considering it.
Hold on. There she is.
Dryer ducts and duct tape. Be down this now.
Thank you.